Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding shower seats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JCWANGDEFU folding shower seat with support legs. According to studies and surveys, most of the household accidents are brought about by falls that mostly happen in the bathrooms. If you have pregnant people, elderly or someone who is recovering from surgery, it is good to get them this seat. It eliminates the risk of falling by standing on a slippery floor. The good thing about the seat is that the height is adjustable for convenience purposes. This shower seat employs a quality stainless steel frame that allows it to support a maximum load capacity of 350 pounds. What's more, it comes in a decorative and practical design, a fact that makes it stand out from the rest. It also makes use of waterproof and corrosion-resistant materials to guarantee durability. What's more, after use, this seat is going to fold down ready for storage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WATERJOY 20 inches folding shower seat. This shower seat makes use of Class A teak wood with a mild touch feeling. It is for this reason why you will always feel very comfortable when sitting on this seat. The combination of an aluminum bracket and solid wood makes it ideal for any wall. You will also appreciate that the shower seat arrives in different size options for convenience. This is a widely applicable shower seat that supports a maximum of 350 pounds. In terms of weight, it is a good and safe option for people who have mobility issues. The materials used will not only guarantee safety but durability as well. You also need to have all the confidence to buy now that you are assured of a refund of money in case you did not like the product. At number 3, we have the Giantex 36 inches folding shower seat, wooden. If you are looking for a shower seat that has been made with quality teak wood, this one will be an ideal pick. The good and unique thing about the seat is that it does not have a chemical coating, which means that it is very safe for everyone. You will also have the freedom to choose between its 2 different color options provided by the manufacturer. Since this shower seat has been made using quality construction material, you will appreciate that it supports a large load capacity. Apart from that, this shower seat comes in a design that is very easy to assemble and also saves space during storage. This is the ideal shower seat you need to get for the elderly member of your household. At number 2, we have the Kenley folding shower seat. Having somewhere that you sit on as you wash, brush the teeth or applying make will make the whole experience different. This is the exact convenience that the Kenley shower seat offers its users. The good thing is that it is designed to flip up against the wall when not in use. That makes it not only discreet but practical as well. Since it is made with solid teak wood, it will be beautiful in the bathroom and also serve you for a very long time. Apart from that, you will appreciate that the shower seat comes with a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. For convenience, the price for this folding shower seat is also relatively affordable across all budgets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dreamline natural teak wood foldable shower seat. This is a beautiful and very practical accessory that offers a convenient and safe place where one can sit when showering. It employs natural teak wood in its construction to bring beauty in your bathroom. Apart from that, you will appreciate that it comes in an innovative and compact design now that it folds down conveniently when not in use. Based on your color needs, you will have the option of choosing between its 2 different color options. The sturdy construction of this folding shower seat, on the other hand, allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. The manufacturer also made this shower seat in 2 different size options to suit your needs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.